Man, I went like full speed.
I did too.
But just imagine me, I'm like lighter. I like flew across that. Look, I was backwards the whole time. Were you? There's our lady. Hayden's holding way above
I probably did the same thing.
Did I?
No, I didn't hear you.
I was like this whole time. I was like, no, don't jerk me. I bet you Selena is scared.